The top 15 mistakes new YouTube creators make. You will never learn if you don't make mistakes. We find a lot of YouTube creators don't know what to do, or they are not sure if they are doing things the right way. Don't think that the first video you publish will bring you thousands of views and subscribers. We all started with a slow growth and things keep improving. Just compare your first video with the one you create after 1 or 2 years. See the difference. If you are just started out and want to avoid the big mistakes new YouTube creators make, we will show you in this video the top 15 tips you can apply to grow your YouTube channel and get more views and subscribers. 1. Commit to a schedule and build a content plan. You should plan what videos you will be publishing ahead of time. Always have few videos as a backup for the bad days. Some days you will find that you are not in the mood or don't have the energy to stand in front of the camera or create new content. Also, it's better to stick to an upload schedule and let your audience know the days you are going to publish videos. It is really crucial that you know how to manage your time to create fresh and new content regularly. 2. Don't imitate other successful YouTubers. Be yourself. You have to have your own character, and this is how people will connect with you or with your unique content. Each person has a gift from God, and that's why he is successful. Always find what you are good at and show that to your audience. Create original and unique content, so people can easily differentiate your brand among other YouTubers out there. 3. Jack of all trades, master of none. If you are trying to build your online YouTube community, just focus on YouTube. Don't scatter yourself and waste your time on all social media like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram all at once. You can share your content on all social media platforms, but keep your YouTube growth strategy to YouTube platform only. 4. Trying to please YouTube algorithm in terms of watch time. Always create good, engaging and interesting content to please your audiences. Don't create longer and boring videos to boost your watch time. People get bored easily nowadays. How many videos you have watched till the end that are longer than 10 minutes on daily basis? Focus more on providing value. We know a lot of successful YouTubers that create shorter videos 2 to 3 minutes long, and people love them for that. They are known on YouTube by providing short and information-dense videos. 5. Focus on your viewers. Don't create videos that you like. Do your homework and find what people are looking for and try answering their questions. Each video should provide value even if it's one piece of information. One of YouTube's success tips is to respect your viewers' time. Always put yourself in their shoes while creating videos and you will know how to get more views and subscribers. 6. Experimentations. The more experiments you make, the better. Don't be afraid to try new video scripts or create new thumbnails. You can change the camera angles or the way you tackle certain topics. You are always one step away from boosting your YouTube channel's growth. Changing the background or backdrops for YouTube videos can make huge difference. 7. Content is king and engagement is queen. Without having a conversation with your followers, you can't build a community around your content. Use the comments section to your advantage. Pay attention to what people are saying, listen to their problems and always find new ways to answer their needs. Create content that actually resonates with your viewers. Create content that people can relate to. 8. YouTube new features. You have noticed the new features that always show inside the YouTube Creator Studio, like YouTube Analytics, the dashboard and comments section. The new updates support creators and help them to improve communication and engagement. You have to try all these features. 9. YouTube branding. Use the same branding on the video and the channel's level. YouTube channel art should match your thumbnails. Your video's tone, description, color schemes and video production should match your channel's theme. Keeping consistent look and feel across all your videos is crucial. 10. Don't compare your progress to others. What works for someone doesn't necessarily work for you. Each YouTube creator has certain capabilities and success recipe. It's healthy to keep an eye and see what other competitors are doing. Have you heard of Janelle Eliana's channel that have gained more than 1.6 million subscribers and 23 million views with only 3 videos? Always compete with yourself and always keep improving your new videos. 11. Fancy equipment. Do you know that thousands of successful YouTubers have built their channels using only a smartphone? Always focus on content. If you are using the most expensive camera, lighting and microphone and your content sucks, nobody is going to watch your videos. Yes, these items can help, but they are not essential to create a successful YouTube channel. 12. Expecting results overnight. YouTube need patience. It takes a lot of time to get your channel going. YouTube growth is exponential and not linear. 13. Niche research. You need to do a research for your topics and the best tags for your videos. It's better to use online tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ that will help you with your journey to grow your channel. 14. Are you excited? Always create content that you feel excited about. Don't create content cause you have to. Filler content is not going to help your marketing strategy to grow your channel. 15. Poor video editing. You can use free video editing tools and stick to the basic transitions and cuts. No need to waste your time and energy, especially in the beginning. One final thing that you have to know is that we all have made mistakes on YouTube, and that is just part of the process. To get more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let we know what you'd like to see next.